Hey guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. This is a fully sponsored video sponsored by Utopia. Utopia is a decentralized ecosystem. It provides assurance of privacy and security for you. Utopia is built on top of the true peer-to-peer network utilizing the most sophisticated and advanced encryption and cryptographic mechanisms. With Utopia, you can completely and securely and anonymously communicate through email and chat, participate in interesting discussion in private and public channels, share valuable contents with peers, all within a highly encrypted and decentralized peer-to-peer network by tracking real-time events using geolocation and seeing them on the map. You will receive information firsthand and will always be on top of events happening around the world or in your city. You can also conveniently perform financial transactions within Utopia and pay or receive payment from players globally. You can even build your own fleet of bots to mine kryptons, all within a highly customizable and flexible platform. I'll talk more about kryptons later, but now the features of Utopia is it provides features like email, game, free cryptocurrency mining when the software is running, so you can mine kryptons for free without using much of your CPU power or your GPU power. It's mostly network based, and you can also have your own crypto wallet and also a secure browser to browse all of your stuff without worrying about your data getting stolen or seen by third-party companies or by hackers. You can do all this in a peer-to-peer network connection and encrypted where it can't be intercepted and cannot be traced back to both its sender and recipient. So none of your personal information will be leaked and stored in large corporations to be sold and manipulated for third-party advertiser and corporation. So you are completely safe and protected, and this is and with Utopia you are able to bypass online censorship and firewalls, which means you are free to communicate with whoever and whomever whenever you want. Utopia is available in both dark theme and original theme. So for those who like dark theme, there's an option for that. So these are all the awesome benefits of Utopia and is the future of privacy and security. And now let's mention something interesting. Utopia has its own currency called Krypton. Currently Krypton is the price of Krypton is low, so that this is the best opportunity for you to invest into Krypton as soon as possible before the mobile app be launched. Once the mobile app is launched, the prices of Krypton will increase. So you can also get free Kryptons by running the Utopia software just by keeping it running, and you will be awarded with Kryptons, which you can be stored in a safe and secured wallet where you can use to buy and sell Kryptons. And there are many benefits of owning Kryptons. Number one is it is 100% decentralized. So Krypton is the only currency like Bitcoin that has full independence. It does not have an owner, and so therefore no one can prohibit or manipulate the network at will. And second of all, it is absolute privacy. Since Krypton is based on blockchain and the transaction itself is encrypted, no one will ever know whom is the sender and who is the recipient, and no one can track your transaction through your IP. So this is 100% secure and private. All your transactions are all encrypted and is 100% private. And third of all is a secure e-wallet to store your Kryptons. It is a very highly secured e-wallet that no hackers has the power or the computing power to hack into your wallet, so you can always feel safe when storing kryptons or other cryptocurrency inside your e-wallet in Utopia. And the last and most important factor, the most important benefit of owning a kryptons is their self-regulated system. So the Utopia adjusts the proof of stake rate to alter the supply of kryptons to make kryptons the most stable currency, lowest volatility. So what are you waiting for now? Hurry, click the first few links in the description down below and download Utopia now to fight for your freedom, privacy and security for yourself that you deserve on the web with Utopia.